Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing about nationalism in India. The main topics that we are going to cover up is effects of First World War, idea of Satyagraha, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh incident. So let's first of all take up effects of First World War. As you all know, First World War started in 1914 and ended in 1918. So the impact of this war on Indian economy was following. It created a new economic and political situation. There was huge increase in defense expenditure due to war loans and increasing taxes. Custom duties, income tax and prices of commodities increased. Forced recruitment in rural areas causing anger among villagers. Crop failures in the country led to acute shortage of food that occurred in 1918 and 1920-21. Millions of people lost their lives due to influenza epidemic. Let's move up to another topic, that is idea of Satyagraha given by Mahatma Gandhi. As you all know, he was the father of Indian nation. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915. He started Satyagraha for the first time in South Africa against racism and apartheid. Now coming up to the meaning of Satyagraha, this means power of truth and the need to search for truth. According to Gandhiji, if cause was true, struggle against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppressive. Non-violence should be practiced by the Satyagrahi. Truth was bound to triumph. Dharma of non-violence could unite all Indians. So this is what we call Satyagraha idea given by Mahatma Gandhiji. Next is three important Satyagraha movements started by Mahatma Gandhi in India. First, in 1916, Champaran, a place in Bihar, where Gandhiji started Satyagraha movement to inspire peasants against oppressive plantation system. In 1917, Kheda, a place in Gujarat, Gandhiji started Satyagraha movement to support the peasants not to pay the revenue. In 1918, Ahmedabad, place in Gujarat, where Gandhiji started Satyagraha movement to support cotton mill workers. Moving on to next topic, that is Rowlatt Act, which was also known as Black Act. This was passed by Imperial Legislative Council under British government. Reasons for opposing this act in India: it gave enormous powers to repress political activities. Second, allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. यानी इसमें इंडियंस को बिना रीज़न पकड़े जाता था. Result of this act: rallies were organized and workers went on strike. Shops and workshops closed down. Local leaders in Amritsar arrested. Gandhiji was not allowed to enter Delhi. Police opened fire on peaceful procession. Martial law was imposed by General Dyer. Jallianwala Bagh incident. This incident took place on 13th April 1919 in Amritsar. Large number of people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh. Some people came to protest against the government repressive measures. Others came to attend the Baisakhi fair. Many villagers were not aware about the imposition of martial law by General Dyer. He gave order to open fire on the crowd, killing hundreds of people. As a result, people took to the streets. Strikes, clashes with the police, and attacks on government buildings. The government responded with brutal repression. Seeing violence spread, Gandhiji called off the movement.